I'm learning Korean. I wanted to take the time with the coronavirus and everything to finally take the serious and much needed amount of time to study Korean. Why am I learning Korean? Well, after Japanese, I decided that I want to take up another language, which was Korean. Korean is similar to Japanese in grammar structure and some vocabulary words, so I thought it wouldn't be too hard to transition. But I was a little wrong about that because it's been tough. How am I going to study Korean? I decided that I didn't want to buy any resources yet, since I'm not sure how devoted or how serious I would take Korean. With Japanese, I didn't buy any resources until probably 6 months into actual hard studying. So I decided with Korean, I would do something similar in which I would use online resources that I could find for free and use for free. To learn Hangul, I watched a video on YouTube called How to Learn How to Read Korean in 5 Minutes. And you actually can learn the Korean writing system in 5 minutes. I'll link that video down in the description if you guys are curious about that one. Currently, the online resource that I'm using right now is How to Study Korean. The URL is literally howtostudykorean.com. I'll have the link for that in the description down below if you guys want to check that one out. As well. So anyway, this was a quick video. I just wanted to make this video to, well, for one, let you all know that I'm still here and I'm still trying to be consistent as much as I can throughout the series. I'm going to be logging in my ups and downs and hopefully just learn more about Korean. I'm planning to upload updates at the end of every month. Starting in August, I'm going to try getting into Korean dramas again, which has been really tough for me lately, and maybe listen to Korean music. I'll see you guys in the next one.
일하는 중이니까 전화는 하지 말라고 내가 많이 변했습니까 왜 다들 날 타도 행동 하나 말 한마디에 일렁이는 파도 계속 잡지 못하는 중심 이리도 약했냐고 스스로 자책